I'm not sure if you're trying to talk, Marie, but you're on mute.
No, I'm not. Sorry. Only to myself. Only to myself.
That's all right. Do you need the running order or anything, or have you got everything you need?
Please, yeah, sorry.
All right, I'll send you
Been
a
on the
chat now.
hop. Yeah, I've been on the hop today. Sorry, Jamie.
No, don't worry about it. It's fine. I'll email you, but it doesn't want me to send you it in the chat for some reason.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
That should be with you.
So everyone's been assigned now, have they?
Yeah, so Sam is here, but I'm not sure if he is here because he's having Zoom troubles. Laurie's waiting for her pitch later on. I'm not sure what Julian's doing. Yeah, you're free to go whatever you like if you're not involved in a pitch. I thought I saw your name next to one of them. Might not have been. Yeah.
No, I did. I was just helping with the facilitating last week. So yeah, there was a little bit of confusion, I think, but I kind of, yeah. Thank you, Jamie, for that. That's fine.
That's right. No problem. This is much less stressful than 2 weeks ago, so that's fine.
Yeah, but it was good though, wasn't it? Really good. It's good.
Yeah.
You're under a lot of pressure there, aren't you? Fair dues. It's
Well, it can't do much if the technology doesn't work.
No, or people decide to join that shouldn't.
Yeah, and that, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. There we go.
Graham, you all right? Do you know which room you need to go to? You're on mute, Graham, sorry.
I think I'm panel 3, aren't I?
Yep, I think you are as well.
Great stuff. All right, coming a bit early, or?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, I shall join now then, Jamie. Thank you.
Great, good luck. Sean Charles. Sean, you're on mute.
Mae eisiau ti dwlu Geraint Jones mas o'n stafell i, please. A pa'i gael yn ôl mewn.
Okay. Roi there, do it.
Diolch yn fawr ti.
Hang on. Rodri, are you okay moving to whichever room you need to move to? You're on mute. Just maybe thumbs up or thumbs down.
Yeah, great.
Okay, great. Casey, are you okay moving to the room you need to be in? I'm guessing so. You're quite tech savvy from what I remember. Mark, you okay? Your audio's still connecting. Lisa, Chris, you all right?
Yeah, good. Thanks, Jimmy. Yeah, all good. Well, everything all right here? Yeah.
Yep, seems to be. Lisa's just joined us. Lisa, are you okay going into whichever room you need to go to, or do you need help? You are on mute, so I can't hear you if you're talking. I can't see you either, sorry.
Apologies for being late, and yeah, I can go into the room, thank you.
No worries, not late at all. Glad to have you with us.
Okay, thank you.
Right, I'll pop off into room 2 now then. See you in a bit.
Yep, no worries. Mark, are you all right? Do you need to be moved into a room, or you're on mute, mate?
Yeah, I think I'm supposed to be in room 1.
Okay, no worries. Give me a second. Should get a link. Oh. How are you, Joseph?
Yeah, I'm all right. Thanks, Jamie. How are you?
I'm. This is going to be as grey as this, I think.
There's a lot of plates spinning. You should actually have a plate spinning in camera shot as well. Just
I'm going to get a background made where it's just 50 of them.
spinning plates. That'd be so fun. That'd be so good. That'd be hilarious. Oh, go on. Sorry, Jamie.
Right. Casey, are you okay? I see you're having issues connecting. Oh, you're on mute again. I know where you're supposed to be, so I'm just going to put you in there.
Have you got everything you need for? Are you using the poll? Do you need it, or have you got?
We'll just put the
link. Is it
evaluation form in the chat once everybody's out of the rooms?
Well, and it'll stay open for as long as you want it to, but as of probably the end of the session, I can just draw out a PDF and share it with you. So okay. You can use that, and then another copy after if for after as well. But yeah, it looks, attendance is really good. I just popped into one of the rooms, some really great, pitches. Everything seems to be going smooth.
Well, there's an hour and a bit to go yet, so let's.
I know. Sorry, I
Hold on.
jinxed it. I jinxed it. I'm popping off on the school run in about 15 minutes. Obviously, I'm conscious there's not necessarily anything you need from me. But yeah, best of luck with the latter part, and no doubt I'll catch up with you, if not after, maybe later in the week.
I'll just send you an email with loads of capital letters that don't make sense.
It's been brilliant, honest. It's just absolutely brilliant. But I know it's a lot of, a lot of sort of fine detail work going on in the background. So no, it looks really, really good, mate. Well done. All right, yeah, I'll just drop down to off camera. Yeah, and no doubt I'll catch up with you in the week. I hope the rest of it goes really well.
I mean, I'm just thinking, actually, is there a point in me doing a background? Because I'm not going to beat yours.
No, you're not. Well, I've actually got spare rolls of this wallpaper, so I will pop me your address on email.
I will. I'll give you the company card details as well.
Yeah, that's what sent some over. It's actually the price of it has gone up in recent months, as you can well imagine. Bookcase wallpaper has skyrocketed. I think it's trading at sort of similar levels to like the Federal Gold Reserve and then bookcase wallpaper sort of tied. Oh, it's funny. Well, look, if I can dig out some wallpaper, yeah, I'll send it up.
Square. Just give me a bit. I'm a really tight shot.
Yeah. All right, I'll catch you with you later on, mate. Well done. All right.
Yeah,
Cheerio. Bye.
Jamie.
Yeah, I was trying to find Sean.
Mae eisiau rhywun admin access yn y stafell yna. Mae rhywun yn cadw I mesan yn bwyty gyda sgrin. Maen nhw'n sgriblo ar y presentations. Maen nhw'n gwneud pob math o bethau, a fi ffili troli nhw mas.
Pwy sy'n neud o?
Hoc rhywbeth yw'r un cynta, ond mae'n bosib mae Leonard sy'n wrth i fed. Fi'n credu bod mwy na un gyda fi, na pam mae eisiau ti ddod mewn.
Oce, na dod mewn rhan. Ni'n dod I sbio am. Be oedd Geraint ti'n neud?
Fi ddim yn siŵr, right? Oedd e'n edrych fes y Geraint sy'n neud e. Mae lluniau yn dod lan ar y sgrin o Donald Trump neu rhywbeth, right? So fi ddim yn gwybod cweit pwy sy'n neud e, ond amser oedd e'n dod lan, enw Geraint oedd yn gweud Geraint is screen sharing. So wedes I twla Geraint mas, so wedyn mae pobl eraill wedi dod trwyddo.
Okay.
Right.
Down. Yes. Guys, if you're in this room and you need help moving, then let me know. If you don't, I'm just going to pop into another room really quickly and I'll be back in about a minute. Okay, guessing you're fine. Thank you.
We seem to be in a room. Well, I can hardly hear you. I don't know if it's me or you. Your volume's very low.
Thomas, you okay? Do you need to move to a room?
I don't know which room we're supposed to be presenting in. We're all here. That's Will, Julian, and myself.
Remind me your challenge name again, please.
We're on at 38.
Use inhaler waste, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll move you first because I know you need to be there. Who else do I need to move?
Before you move us, Jamie, is my sound working?
Yes, fine.
Is that better, Thomas?
Yeah, absolutely. Will go first, and then me, and then Julian Fortin.
Okay. Will 1, Tom to number 1, Julian number 1. There you go. You should have all had messages now saying move.
To join panel 1.
That one, yeah.
Brilliant. Thank you, Jamie.
Thanks.
Thank you. Can anybody hear me?
Yep, I can hear you. You should have just had a notification to move to panel 1. Yeah, there we go. Roz, are you okay? Do you need to move? You're fine. Let me know if you're not. Okay, Chris. You're on mute.
Good, yeah, all good. Interesting. They're trying their best to keep the time, and they seem to be doing it okay at the moment. Yeah. Yeah, seems to be going all right. Everybody okay here, yeah?
Yep, seems to be.
Emily is being a terrier with the timing.
I bet she is. I bet she is.
She's very good. Really good, yeah. Right, I'll go and wander into number 3 now then, and I'll see you in a bit, yeah?
Yep. Hi, are you okay to move into your own room or do you need help? Oh, you're on mute.
Need to go in room 3.
Room 3. Give me a second. I'll send you there now. 3.
Thank you.
There you go. You should get a message to go through. Hi, Andrew. Which room are you supposed to be in? Do you know? Can you hear me, Andrew? No? You're on mute. You're on mute, Andrew, still. There you go.
Yeah, okay?
Yeah, good, thanks. Which room do you need to be in?
Room 1.
Okie
It's
dokie. Which
for,
team are you with again? Sorry.
What's that, sorry?
Which team are you with again? Sorry.
It is with Cardiff and the Vale.
Okie dokie.
Yeah.
I'm with-
Ellen Griffiths it is.
There you go.
Came in. Thank you.
Sorry, sent myself there instead of you.
I was going to say it.
Yeah, there you go, panel 1.
Cheers, mate. Thank you.
No worries. Mark, you okay? You're on mute before you start speaking. If you can't unmute yourself, can you send me a message in the chat?
I am not at all frazzled. I am not at all frazzled. All right, I should be able to do it this time. I'm on my main computer, so I can share the screen, I think.
So you're supposed to be in room 2, yeah?
Yeah, I've just got to find the bloody presentation on this thing now, because
it should be a green button at the bottom that says share screen.
Yeah, I've got it on this. I've just got to find the presentation on this computer. So if you leave me alone a minute,
yeah, I'll just put you in.
If I go into the main room again,
I'll put you in your room while you're waiting.
So yeah, if you bear with me, sorry.
Chris, what room do you need to be in? Sorry, remind me.
I mean,
I know what room you're in. Chris,
I've got no idea. I'm in the passport thing at M-SParc, so I don't know which room you're going to throw me into.
Passport.
Passport for safety or passport for success.
Yeah, with Graham, yeah, room 3. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. You should get a note now telling you to go there. Yep, that's worked for him. Who have we got? Missed. Oh, I know. Hey, if you're going to mute yourself and let me know which room you want to be put into, I will move you.
Hi, I'm at the end of room 1, I believe. The hospital discharge app, just to check. I think so, yeah.
I'll move you now. There you go. Number 1. Should get a notification now. You have done. See frozen. James Scott. Hi James, do you know which room you need to go into?
Yeah, sorry, I just had to leave because my computer was playing up, so.
No problem. Do you want me to put you into a room or can you do it yourself?
So I can do it myself. I was just going to ask you actually, what time do I need to come in for the results? Because I already presented. I just reset my computer.
So the results will be sometime around 4:15. So if you want to join maybe about 4ish, that might be a good time to get back in, but it should be around 4:15 that we have the results.
Oh, should I just join around then? Would that be better?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, whichever you prefer.
I'll do it. I'll do that. Thanks very much.
Well, thanks.
See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye. Sharifa, room 1, yeah? Do I remember correctly? Panel 1? You're on mute, so I can't hear you if you are talking. I can't see you either. So. Sharif. Yes, you are in room 1. I'll put you there now. Here you go.
Thanks very much, Jamie.
Thanks, Will. Did that go okay?
I don't know. Who knows, eh? You know, I could talk all day with 7 minutes. What's 7 minutes? That's like a blink of the eye to someone of my age. Look, thanks very much for your help. And you have a good rest of the day dealing with very old people trying to use IT.
That's all. Good luck.
Can't be much fun. Thanks, Jamie.
Thanks. Bye. Hi, Joanna. You know which room you need to be in? You're on mute.
Sorry, no, I don't. Sorry.
Which challenge were you with?
I wasn't in any. I'm just observing. So
You feel free to drop into whichever room you like then.
okay, I don't know which ones. What's I've got myself involved with a couple of them just to.
So there's panel 1, panel 2, and panel 3. They're all hearing different pitches, so
right. Okay.
free to drop into whichever one you like.
Okay.
Really.
There's one with oh, Christ, who was the one I was on? I'd done some work with Billy's one. It was quite interesting, but I think it was the Rob Salter put me forward. I think for another one. The challenging. So whatever's going on there. So the ideas.
Yeah. So Billy Woods is one has been.
Has been right. Okay.
I can't remember which one Rob was with.
So it was a show me where it hurts was that one. They tell me about it digitally.
Billy Hayes. Billy Hayes has one's been, yes.
It's been, is it right? Okay. Which digital source have got? No, it's on that one. Sorry, I'll just go on the screen quickly. There's been a few. I've just been no worries if I can't go into them, but
right. I just can't remember which one Rob. Yeah, Rob Salter's one was last in room 3, so you've got about 15 minutes.
Oh, there we go. Then I'll go listen in on that one then, if that's okay.
That's in about 15 minutes, but I'll
put me in there anyway. That's great. Thank you very much.
3, there you go. You should get a thing asking you to join now. Hi Sue, you're on mute and I can't see you, but if you can let me know which room you want to be put into, I can help with that.
Okay, I would like to be in room, hang on a minute, I'll just have to check that. 2, please, panel 2.
Okay, were you with one of the challenges? Sorry, I can't remember.
So I'm with I'm with sign up. So
okay, yeah, I'll just move you into room 2 now, so you'll get a notification.
Okay, thank you.
Second, panel 2. There you go.
Join. There we go. Thank you.
Hi, Jamie.
Hey, you okay?
I'm good. I thought I'd pop back in because they're about 8 minutes behind. They're like one presentation behind. So I'm just like, come back here. Carrie Ann seems to be on top of it, but I think
Hi guys, I got kicked out. Can I go back to room 1, please?
Yeah, I'll move you there now.
sorry.
No
Apologies.
problem.
Thanks, you.
Right on.
Jamie, I'm gonna go, but
Yeah.
do you mind sharing the winners with me?
Yeah, absolutely. Will do.
Will. Thank you, sweet.
Cheers. Bye. You okay, Chris?
Yeah, all good. All good, thank you. So I am going to pop into another room. You're not tempted to go into a room then? You're okay, are you?
I'm going to go to room 1 in a minute, just to check everything's all right in there.
So the sunrise we've got in there is still a system that's still open, presumably, is it? Yeah.
I'm guessing so, yeah. Yeah, Sam seems to be in another room as well.
You'd lose that then or not? No.
I don't want to in case it scares him, whatever he is.
Can you remove the language in the chat bar or not?
I've tried, I can't. Unfortunately.
We need to try and lose that up the screen then somehow, I guess, but yeah, okay. No problem. Right, I'll pop into number 1, I think. See you in a bit.
Hi, Francis. Which room do you need to go to?
Room 1.
No worries. Which team are you with, sorry?
Perdomo.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
2 seconds. It's not letting me move you for some reason, Francis. Give me a second.
No worries.
What was your challenge name again? Sorry, I can't. I missed what you said there.
The challenge was about a digital platform for patient discharge.
That's it. Yeah. Sorry, couldn't hear you properly the first time. There you are. Hi, Joe. You okay?
Yeah, Jamie, I got booted out.
Oh, which room were you in again today?
Back into 3, please.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
You okay, Rachel? Good.